welcome to the December edition of IEAS News, the only news where exams were trending and vacations were going to break records. Good morning, everyone. Yes, you heard that right. From exams to celebrations and finally to winter vacations, we've got it all covered today. So sit back, relax. Well, relax after listening to the exam updates. Let's start with some very important academic news. The preliminary examinations for grades 10 and 12 began on 2nd December and ended on 14th December. That explains the serious faces, the late night study sessions, and students suddenly becoming best friends with their textbooks. Very true. These prelims are an important step in preparing students for their board examinations. They help students understand the exam pattern and boost confidence. To all our grade 10 and 12 students, stay calm, stay focused, and remember, one exam does not define you, but good preparation surely helps. Moving on to school activities, let's talk about assemblies. On 8th December, the assembly of classes 8C and 8D was conducted successfully. The students impressed everyone with their confidence, creativity, and teamwork. From meaningful messages to well-coordinated performances, the assembly was truly engaging. Assemblies like these help students develop leadership skills and stage confidence, and of course, give us a break from regular classes. And the excitement doesn't stop there. On 22nd December, we had a combined class assembly by classes 3C and 3D from the primary section and classes 7A and 7B from the secondary section. This promised to be a lively and colorful assembly, bringing together creativity from both junior and senior students. We were eagerly looking forward to it and wished the students all the best. Now brace yourselves. More exam news. The periodic examinations for grade 3 to 9 and grade 11 were scheduled from 15th December to 21st December. Yes, December seems to be very fond of exams, but these periodic tests help students revise their syllabus and improve their academic performance. Students are advised to plan their studies well, revise regularly, and most importantly, not to panic. A calm mind works better than a stressed one. Let's switch to some exciting and happy news now. On Saturday, 20th December, our school hosted a wonderful award ceremony from 6 pm to 7:30 pm. The ceremony celebrated students who excelled in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. The hall was filled with applause, smiles, and proud moments. Events like these remind us that hard work truly pays off. Congratulations to all the awardees. You have made your parents, teachers, and school extremely proud. Next, the open house for grades 10 and 12 was held on 22nd December from 5:30 pm to 7:30 pm. This was a great opportunity for parents to interact with teachers and discuss academic progress. And now, the announcement everyone has been waiting for. The winter break began from 23rd December and continued till 4th January. That means it was time to relax, recharge, and enjoy the festive season, and maybe even catch up on some sleep. Students were encouraged to enjoy their holidays responsibly and return refreshed. That brings us to the end of today's IEAS Times December News Bulletin. Thank you for listening patiently. Stay informed, stay positive, and keep smiling. Have a wonderful year ahead. Thank you.